Okay, hi guys, this is my cat Shadow, just playing with a feather. I thought this would be a funny short video, just to show you. Look at it, I was just playing with a feather. Oh, this is hilarious. Ah, hey Shadow. Now, I just wanted this to be a funny little video, that you can laugh just for a little bit. Yeah, look at it with that feather. Crazy cat. Okay, that's enough. That's enough, Shadow. Bye.